What's up everyone, GT here today, and we are doing the unboxing of Ultimate Forza Horizon 4. So many of you are wondering, how do you have it so early? Well, if you pre-order the Ultimate Edition, you get it not 1, 2, 3, but 4 days early. So you get it on Friday, but the game technically doesn't release till Tuesday, the 2nd, I believe. So we're gonna go ahead and check this game out, Forza Horizon 4. I played this game at E3 and it was amazing. It was a badass game. I got first place on all the 4 maps they give you on the demo, and they gave me a free shirt and a few pins, which is pretty dope. So here you have the front cover, Xbox One exclusive. Yeah, this is an exclusive for Xbox One, and I've played all Forza Horizon games and they are awesome. You know, you got the seasons changed everything, explore Britain, got alone to team up, become a Horizon superstar. So you know what, let's go ahead and take out the packaging, and as for starters, steelbook case, looking clean, looking clean. So I don't need a blade for this. I can just try to cut this open like that, and bam, already got it open. That easy. Now that I got it open, let's take a closer look at the steelbook case. As you can see, it's kind of glossy. Forza Horizon 4, you got the McLaren, the new McLaren, and then you got Forza Horizon 4 in the background logo, just a white canvas with their logo, and that's it. So let's go ahead and open this up. And you know me, GT, this does come with the season pass, and you know what? Yeah, I can go ahead and keep it. YQFT4, 3R6, M4, JT, CDK, J3, TD2, K4FVZ. So season pass, game add-on. And as you can see here, use this code to unlock the Forza Horizon 4 Car Pass, VIP membership, Best of Bond, Car Pack, and 2 expansions. So yeah, Season Pass, pretty much all the DLC. You can keep this. Now the next thing inside the box, or the case, you do get like a little warning, a little piece of paper, but we don't need to read that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Next, we got the disc. We got the mofo disc, baby. Forza Horizon 4. You got the McLaren. Pretty much is the same thing as the cover, as you can see here. Forza Horizon 4, Forza Horizon 4. You got the car, you got the car. You get the little Jeep, the little ROVA. I think it's like a little Land Rover. So that's it. You know, the disc, nothing else to it, right there. Let's take a look at the inside of the case. You got the nice McLaren. I think it's like the P1 or something. Not 100% sure what McLaren it is, but it is the new one. Like one that's probably not out yet, that's going to be released soon. It's probably like a prototype or something. But yeah, that's it right there. There goes the case. Nothing to it, you know. Just steelbook case. Downloadable content that you get here, right there. And this is 4K enhanced, Xbox One X enhanced, 4K Ultra HDR, high dynamic range, Xbox One single player, Xbox Live co-op multiplayer 2 to 6, Xbox Live multiplayer 2 to 12, and of course you can use the force feedback wheel, but it's optional. And yeah, the wheel's pretty dope. And you know, here's some of the manufacturers. You got the RARI, you got the LAMBO, you got General Motors, you got Renault, Vauxhall, you got Land Rover, 007, you know, 007 car right there. You know, like I said, Forza 4 Ultimate Edition includes early access, car pass, VIP membership, Best of Bond, car pack, 2 game expansions when available. And you do need 75 gigabytes of storage, dude. Oh my god, this is gonna be a big download, so make sure you clear your Xbox up with this Forza Horizon 4 whenever you download it to your Xbox. Alright, so this concludes the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this code up again. If you want it, write it down, pause the video, keep it. First come, first serve. You know how I do. If for all of y'all that watch my videos, new people, new subscribers, old people, old subscribers, just stay up to date with my vids, and you know, I give the codes out all the time, but it's usually first come, first serve. I don't do the I'm gonna pick you deal, whatever. It's kind of too much of a hassle, so if I just give the code away in the video, you know, it makes it a whole lot easier for me. But anyways, thank you guys and gals for watching. This is the unboxing of the Ultimate Forza Horizon 4 Edition for the Xbox One. Like I said, you do get it early when you pre-order. Keep an eye out on certain games. You do get them early whenever you do pre-order them, and they released, you know, a few days later, kind of like Lara Croft Steelbook Edition, Forza. Red Dead Redemption is also another game that if you pre-order like this Ultimate Super Duper Edition, you know, you get it early. Think what other game? Assassin's Creed. I got Assassin's Creed as well. That game comes out Tuesday, but I might do the unboxing probably tomorrow or Monday. It all depends. I know I got a lot of stuff to unbox and show y'all. But anyways, like I said, thank you guys and gals for watching. I'm GT signing out, and I see you guys and gals later. Adios.